Hi guys, hi. Let's stuff some plantains today. So first of all, we've got our plantains and I've got minced beef here, half pound of minced beef. And again, this recipe is you season to taste. So I'm not going to add, I'm not going to leave any measurements in the description because this is totally to your taste buds the desires of your taste buds. Yeah, so let's get started here. So this is my chopped onion. I'm gonna put it aside. This is my chopped green seasonings, a mixture of celery, cheddar benny, spring onions. You could put cilantro, anything you want to put, fresh seasonings. These are my pimentos. I'm gonna add some mixed veg to it. So this is the minced beef here now. So let's add some paprika powder. I'll use the other one. Yep, some paprika, some ginger powder, some chili powder for some heat, and of course our all-purpose seasoning, my favorite all times adobo. So I'm gonna mix this all in here and leave it to marinate, and then we'll start on our plantains. Okay, so we're removing the skin from the plantains. Yep, and we're just gonna mark it down with a knife like this and peel the skins off. Yeah, I'm going to fry them whole just to get a bit of color, not for too long. Just keep turning it so we can get a nice golden color, and then we'll come back and stuff them. Okay, let's fry our plantains and leave them to cool down a bit, and then we will attend to the minced beef. Okay, the color is nice, so I'm just going to remove them now. Oops, be careful, don't squash them. Yep. So in this same pan, let's saute our onions. And all the other aromatics, garlic, pimentos, our garlic, adding in our minced beef, and last but not least, our mixed veg, which is optional. I choose to add it because I can have one stuffed plantain and it will be a balanced meal. Yeah, so I'm not adding a lot of mixed veg, but I'm just adding, it brings out the color in the presentation also. Yeah. Okay, so here is where you're gonna have to dirty your hands a bit now. So I'm gonna turn the plantain this way. I'm gonna make an incision in the middle here, cutting into it, not going deep down into the plantain to reach the bottom. And we're gonna start to make space here now. Make some room here. We can use a spoon or a fork and just widen the inside to shape it like a boat. Yep. And be careful, right? And then we're gonna start to stuff our boat. My hands are greasy. Stuff our boat like this. Yep. And I'm going to add some grated cheese. Now you can put cheese to the bottom, layer it, cheese first, then the minced beef, then cheese again. Yeah. I do not want to take away the flavor of the minced beef, so I'm not gonna add cheese twice. I'm just gonna add cheese on the top of it. You know, cheese is the sharp taste of cheese is gonna overpower the minced beef. So I'm just gonna do this and I'll finish it up. I'm gonna put it to bake, and then I'm gonna put it to bake for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna take it out, sprinkle my cheese, grated cheese to the top, and put it back for about 7 minutes. And that's it. We're gonna have it there. So here we are, folks. Here we are, and I'm just gonna add the grated cheese now and put it back for about 5 to 7 minutes, and it's all done at that point in time. Yep, this is looking so tempting. It's, oh my god, I can't wait to have these. But I think one will be enough for me for now. So it's gonna be filling. Yep. Oh my gosh. And I'm just gonna sprinkle some parsley on top. So I'm gonna add it back, put it back to the oven now, and then I'll present it to you. That's it. Okay guys, so our plantain boats, stuffed plantain boats are finished and they are piping hot. So I'm just gonna let it cool down a bit and then I'll plate it. Okay, so let's dive into this here now. And that's the parrot behind making noise. Yep. I know it's hot. I don't want to burn my mouth. It's very hot. So folks, try it. Tell me how you like it, yeah? Don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're here for the first time. Click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So see you next time. Ciao.